Welcome back to Night and Day TV with Chris and Michelle. Joined here by it's Chef Hiro.
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 There you go.
Nice to meet you, Chef Hiro.
You,
Thanks
sir.
for coming down. And
Colin.
We've met before, right, Colin?
Yes,
You've been
sir,
down here before, I think, for Restaurant Week, as a matter of fact.
Yeah.
Here we are,
yeah,
Restaurant Week,
yeah.
up and running here in SD. You guys, Bamboo Sushi out in La Mesa, correct?
Yes, sir. 85,
Off of
55
Fletcher.
Parkway. Yes, sir.
And what do you have for us today? This display is amazing. Seriously, we should get some tight shots on this stuff because I am just amazed by what you guys put together here today. What do you, is this what you're doing for Restaurant Week?
Definitely. We've got a little bit of Restaurant Week and a little bit what we do have to offer for, you know, the healthy diner for the new year and all that. You know, for Hiro-san, he's got the talent. He's got the talent to make all this great stuff. For, you know, the healthy diner, we do have our rolls. We can do a brown rice on any of the rolls for you.
Oh, nice.
So, yeah, that's a little nice, you know, substitute we can do for you. For Restaurant Week, we're really offering a different variety of stuff. You know, people like sushi, people like, you know, regular, you know, grilled entrees and stuff like that. So we have some of the rolls up here. We do a Mount Fuji roll, which is on a Restaurant Week, which is a shrimp tempura, crab salad, topped off with a fresh salmon.
That looks amazing.
Really,
Seriously.
really. These guys do a
during
wonderful
lunchtime,
job.
I'm freaking out.
Absolutely. We also do a spicy tuna salad on there to start off with.
Okay.
And, you know, for the non-sushi lover, we have a grilled salmon as well.
Perfect.
Grilled salmon's outstanding as well. The chefs do a great job of putting that together. We have a little of nigiri. It's a sushi nigiri. So we got a 10-piece sushi nigiri. And we do a little bit of, you know, tuna, yellowtail, fresh salmon on there. A little bit of eel. Very, very good.
And you're doing this next week as well.
We are. We do have the pleasure of extending it next week. So
Cool.
we do, you know, extend that invite for everyone to come out and really join us and experience Hiro-san's excellent talent here.
Yeah, look at Chef Hiro right now. Amazing. What are you doing right now? You're just making one of your rolls, obviously. Oh, and what's this? Are you going to light me on fire?
Busting out the big guns.
Oh, that's awesome. The big guns indeed. Look at you.
Yes.
You look like an action star.
This
Oh,
is,
look at that. What's he doing here?
This is actually our Kobe beef, or seared Kobe roll. Okay, so this has got a shrimp tempura, spicy crab salad, avocado. It's topped off with a, as you can tell, a Kobe and a little bit garlic butter. He actually sears that and serves it right out like that. Really amazing
that is
job
fantastic.
It is. It's really nice.
I am
really,
so
really
impressed. And what do we have in front of the seared Kobe?
Okay, over here on this side, we actually have a Spanish mackerel, which is an aji, which is, you know, they actually do the whole fish sashimi style, and then they, if you prefer, we can actually tempura it for you after. So.
Okay, and again, it's
really a traditional Japanese dish.
It's Bamboo Sushi out in La Mesa. Please give the address one more time.
8555 Fletcher Parkway.
Are you guys expanding? Because all my friends out east talk about how awesome the joint is.
You know, we would love to. We would love to. We're always looking into it. You know, it's always a possibility. Currently, we are doing some renovations and expanding into a larger restaurant. So we're going to have a banquet room. You know, offer that out for private parties, banquet room. You know, and maybe get some, you know, office parties out there too.
Sweet, man. Well, continued success.
Studio out.
Yeah, we'll come out there. We'll do some remotes from the restaurant, because the last time you were here, I remember we were freaking out because we saw this amazing display, and you're like, "Ooh, I wouldn't eat it. It's kind of like stunt fish, correct?"
No. Yeah.
We can dive into your display.
Yeah,
here.
these guys do a great job. Absolutely, you know, anything here is edible.
Edible
they do a great
on spot.
job.
All right, that's why Michelle's coming over right now. And when we come back, Michelle will throw down the celebrity mashup. Make sure you check out Bamboo Sushi, Fletcher Parkway out there in La Mesa during Restaurant Week. We'll be back after these. Hang tight.